request here from little Cindy Lou Who. She wants to remind you all what...
We hope you're all set. Let's take a ride with the Seuss alphabet. Oh, sure, we've got A's and B's just like you. But we might have a few extra ones, too. Now, A is for apple, as everyone knows. Too bad we don't happen to have some of those. But look out for B, a bodacious blue bubble. And bumblebees buzzing won't cause you much trouble.
C is for cookie.
Who said that? Please stop. This C is for the Circus McGurkus Big Top. And D, that's a breeze. How about the daring young lad on the flying trapeze? Does anyone's name here start with D? Like Dana or David or Dingus McGee? E is for everyone under the sun. F is for friends who are all having fun. G is for green, but we'll get to that. H is for what tops that silly old cat? That's right, the hat of a cat. Or maybe just for the old hip, hip, hooray! Yeah, you can do it. Say hip, hip, hooray! Goody for you. We could do that all day. I is for icing on top of a cake. And J is for jumping right into a lake. At the new McGrew Zoo, you'll find King Kerchoo lording it all over K and L too. When you come down the road, did you happen to see a sign for a village called MNOP? O is for opposite. North and south going Zaxes, stubbornly stopped unbudged in their traxes. P is for perfect, a day at the beach. Q is for quick. Look, that must be a sneetch. Now back to G. Why? For green eggs and green ham. I really like them, I do, Sam, I am. R is for roundabout. Now you can see we're heading for Sneechtown with S and a T. Uncle Ub's umbrella is a triple for you. And he just might throw in his underwear, too. V is for the visitors here on vacation, here to see us from many great nations. W is for why does this ride have to end? We wish to ride more, so please.